Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making apple-braised pork chops, a creative twist on Chinese cuisine that you won't see every day. It might sound a bit unusual at first, but trust me, once you try it, this dish will become a staple at your dinner table, loved by young and old alike. For this recipe, we are using pork shoulder. If you can't find it, pork tenderloin works too. Here I have about 700 grams of pork shoulder. Cut the meat into thick slices, then using the back of your cleaver, gently break the muscle fibers on both sides. This step really helps the meat soak up all the flavors and keep it tender when cooked. Now let's move on marinating. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and a splash of garlic water. To really get that garlicky flavor, mix minced garlic with water instead of just soaking whole garlic cloves. Or simply use garlic powder if you prefer. Drizzle a bit of cooking oil over the pork. Then work the seasonings into the meat until everything is evenly coated. Let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Don't leave it too long, or the pork won't stay as tender and juicy. While the pork is marinating, let's prepare the other ingredients. Corn and slice an apple. Also, cut half an onion into strips and prepare a few peeled garlic cloves for extra aroma. Now let's start cooking. Heat up some oil in the wok over medium heat. Then add your pork slices. Sear them until they are about 70 to 80% cooked. Remember, overcooking at this stage can make the meat tough. Once seared, remove the pork and cut it into strips so it can absorb even more flavor during the braising process. Using the same wok and oil, add the garlic cloves and fry them over low heat until fragrant. Next, add in onion strips and give them a quick stir fry. If you have a cinnamon stick, break it into small pieces and add it. Or a pinch of cinnamon powder works just as well. Then add your apple slices to the wok and arrange the pork strips evenly on top. Now for the braising sauce, drizzle 3 tablespoons of soy sauce around the edges of the wok and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then pour in some hot water until the ingredients are just covered. Always use the hot water to keep the cooking temperature steady. For a richer color, add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Let everything cook uncovered for about 3 minutes so the raw flavors can mellow out. Then cover the wok and let it braise for around 10 minutes until the apples are soft and the meat is fully infused with the flavor. Okay, let's have a look. Once the sauce has thickened up nicely, just add a quick splash of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. It really cuts through the richness and brightens up the flavors. But remember, a little goes a long way, so it doesn't get too sour. Alright, it's tasting time. Wow, the pork is incredibly tender and the fresh apple aroma really shines through. As always, it's your turn now to have a try at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.